Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. 85th anniversary of Sturgis.
Yeah.
Stick around. Come to Sturgis, enjoy the ride. It'll be a great time, right, Jack?
Right.
How are you enjoying your time at Sturgis?
It's a blast.
Yeah. What's been the highlight so far?
My
Shirley, better go.
my bike getting towed.
Well, not only did your bike get towed, 2 of my bikes have gotten towed. And yeah, now we're in Sturgis with no motorcycles.
Nope.
But hey, we're still having a good time.
We are.
Now we just got to go find our motorcycles.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, let's just chalk this one up to another adventure.
Always an adventure with you.
Always an adventure with me.
At least it wasn't my fault this time.
I think it's probably my fault. I chose this parking area, so yeah. To be continued. Let's go get some motorcycles.
A
few moments later.
Found our motorcycles.
Yeah, we did.
$1,200 later. How much did we pay for your motorcycle?
Half that.
All right. Well, we're back on the road. We have our bikes. Let's go make some things happen. Let's go have fun.
I did learn when it says 1 hour only.
59 minutes. You better be there.
No, it's like 50 minutes. You better be there.
Piece of advice: you come to Sturgis, find a place where you can park where you won't get towed. So
yeah.
All right. Let's go ride motorcycles.
All right. Cool.
All right, guys, so here we are back at the Buffalo Chip, and I am here with 2 of my newest friends, and these guys, you've been here a few days, just as long as we have, set up, but they have something very special here that we're going to have an opportunity to share with all of you guys from all over the world, because you probably haven't even heard of this company or this brand. So introduce yourselves. Who are you, and what are you doing here in Sturgis?
Sure. I'm Kyle.
I'm Mitch.
And we're with Janis Motorcycles.
Who?
Janis Motorcycles.
Wow. Did y'all, like, who owes each other a Coke? Y'all said that.
We both owe each other a lot of Cokes.
Was that on a cue? Like, Janis Motorcycles, a unique brand made in America, but bringing something stylistically so different to the U.S. market and really the world market. There's only a few brands that would even venture to try something what you guys are doing. So, Mitch, tell me your 30-second elevator pitch for Janis Motorcycles, why you like them, why you work for them, and why people should buy them.
Yeah, absolutely. So Janis Motorcycles focuses on small displacement bikes. We offer a 250 and 450cc, lightweight, easy to maintain, maintenance, and everything. It's very unique because you get to pick out what you want on the bike color-wise, pinstripes, add-on options. No 2 bikes leave our shop exactly the same, so it looks like your identity goes onto the bike. It's just you pick what you want and it's yours.
One thing I always enjoyed about the website, folks, is that you could actually go onto their website, select which base model that you want, the 250, the 450, and then from there just go in and build it right on the screen. You're like, hey, I like this color, let's see what it applies and looks like on the bike. Love the concept of it. So, Kyle,
Yeah.
what makes Janis different from every other motorcycle brand on the planet?
Well, I mean, we're building them in the United States. That's a little bit different. I mean, they're single cylinders. That's kind of different, unique for 2025. We also have a carbureted hardtail. That's very unique. I know.
All right, hold on.
That.
Carbureted, listen, folks, a carburetor in 2025 could possibly be done, but a hardtail factory motorcycle in 2025, that blows my mind. Most people will be like, well, why do you want a hardtail? And I'm like, well, why would you not want a hardtail?
And it's a comfortable hardtail.
Yeah. I rode one of those yesterday. It was a great time. Today we're going to ride something a little different. And what's great about that is we're actually going to get my wife involved on this Janis motorcycle. I know you've seen her around a little bit on the channel, but today she's playing a huge part in this. So guys, I thank you for this opportunity. Where can folks go online to find out more about Janis motorcycles?
You're going to check out janismotorcycles.com. That's our website. You can build out your own dream motorcycle. Also, I encourage you to check out our YouTube channel. Just type in Janis Motorcycles. You'll find it.
You are also YouTubers.
Yes,
that's great. And one of your guys, one of your social media content creators took one of these motorcycles, left your factory, and rode on a 250cc?
No,
450cc.
All the way from Indiana.
All the way from Indiana to Sturgis. I just want to ride it up and down the road. Can we do that?
Yeah, we can do that.
All right, let's get on one of these bikes. Let's check it out, guys.
Let's do it.
What do you think about your first ride on a sidecar?
It is amazing. Way more comfortable.
Super cool. All right, Mitch and Kyle, question. My wife is now sold on the sidecar. When is it gonna? When is this gonna be like a factory option, guys?
Well, you can, but not from us. Right now, you can purchase it from Texas Sidecar Company. It's going to be listed around $5,000, and they will attach it to our beautiful Halcyon 450.
Man, well worth the fun times. Good times, guys. Hey, let's go to Camp Zero. Let's watch some people do some burnouts. What do y'all think?
Yep.
All right, let's do this. So we're here at the Buffalo Chip Camp Zero.
Yes.
And this lady is in charge of all of the fun extracurricular activities. What are we about to do, girl?
We are about to do the Cheech and Chong Smoke Show sponsored by Shinko Tire.
Woo. Is somebody gonna win some tires? Because I want to see some tires like blow up.
Blow up.
That is a lot of smoke for anybody. Hold it wide open, buddy. There you go. Oh my God. Camp Zero, give it up. Come on, make some noise. Dear God, when they ask you to do a burnout judging competition, you have competition like this. Doesn't make it easy. Doesn't make it easy at all. So here we are at the Buffalo Chip Motorcycles as Art exhibit. This is one of the main reasons that we have come to Sturgis this year, 2025, for the 85th anniversary to display some of our artwork. That is the 3 motorcycles that you see here. Dolly Mongrel, 56, and Ultor. Super honored to be part of such an amazing display of artwork, from traditional artists to non-traditional, to bike builders, to painters, to photographers. This is an exhibit that you do not want to miss. They host us every year here at the Buffalo Chip. I am honored to be able to display these 3 motorcycles because, yes, I look at motorcycle building as a form of art, and to be able to share that with so many people. It's projected to be over 700,000 people in Sturgis this week. And many of those are going to come right here to the Buffalo Chip to see Motorcycles as Art exhibit. So I want to thank personally Mr. Kevin Dunworth, who has put together this collection of motorcycles, and Savannah Rose, who is in charge of all of the other artwork hanging on the walls. Thank you guys so much for allowing us, Weems Motor Co., to be a part of this. Sturgis has so much to offer, whether it's riding, whether it's looking, whether it's showing, whether it's listening. Every sense is going to be touched while you're here at the Buffalo Chip and while you're here in Sturgis. So if you have not made plans to get out to Sturgis, I say do it. Save up the money, save up the time, come out to Sturgis, enjoy what an experience this can be. Man, once in a lifetime for me here at Weems Motor Co. Let's go see what else we can get into. Sturgis 85th anniversary, nothing like a good time at Camp Zero with great friends, good times, doing some burnouts, riding some bikes around a track that probably shouldn't be done, but we doing it. And you know what? I have to say, I am so thankful to be here. I can't wait to come back and do it all over again. We got a concert to go tonight.
We do.
We got more people to count. We've established that Sturgis sucks because they will tow your motorcycle in a heartbeat and make you pay $400 cash per motorcycle. Not a good time, but I tell you what, Sturgis overall is a good time because people like Jesse, people like Shelly, Colleen, my sexy, hot, smoking wife, Bree, and all the people here at Camp Zero and at the Buffalo Chip having a great time. With that, we're going to wrap it up by going to the concert tonight. We're going to count how many ladies have like fishnet tops and pasties on. We're going to keep track of that.
That's what I'm wearing.
Oh.
Wow. Let's count you.
I didn't know everybody was wearing that.
Yeah, we're counting over 65.
Oh.
Over 65.
You don't count.
And pasties.
You have a contest.
You get a negative. You get a negative point.
Get the lower one.
Well, with that, folks, we're going to wrap things up here at Camp Zero, having a great time. All my good friends. With that, if you are new around here, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up. turn those notifications on and let everyone know what's going on right here.
At Weems Motor Co.
Motor Co's the best.
Ah!